So that Beyonce album is Kim's favorite album right now. Yeah. Her being Kim, of us being Matt and Kim. And she'll listen to it in the morning before I wake up, because I sleep 12 hours every night. I think that's going to make me live forever. I think it probably will. And then I wake up and she gets all like infused with this really angry album, and she's just always got like a chip on her shoulder just from too much Beyonce, and she's always mean to me in the morning. That's a fucking sweet ass album. And that's what this song's about. What?
You're not living if you're sleeping 12 hours.
What do you mean? I'm gonna live twice as long as you do. You just wait and see. That's not the competition. All right. The loser dies first, alright? That sounds like punishment enough, alright? Yeah. I'm ready! Falling off the stool all too much recently, kid.